before moving to setup C++ compiler, first let us check whether it is already installed in our system. Go to command prompt, type g++ space -- version. Here it says that it is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now click the link in description to download the MinGW compiler and skip the MinGW compiler setup part, or else go to sourceforge.net, search for compilers, now search for MinGW, which is our C++ compiler, MinGW 64. Here go to files. Here we can find many versions of MinGW compiler. Moving to the recent version, there are so many choices here. First let us know about each term and choose the suitable compiler for us. This x86-64, which means it's for 64-bit OS. i686, this means that it's for 32-bit OS. This POSIX, this means that it enables C++ multithreading feature. And Win32, this means that it supports no multithreading features. Then SJLJ, this means that it is suitable for 32-bit systems and use small binaries. Then SCH, this means that it is suitable for 64-bit operating system and its performance is also good. Now let me download x86-64 POSIX SCH compiler. Yeah, the MinGW compiler is downloaded. Now let us see how to set up MinGW compiler to run C++ programs. Go to downloads. Here you can see that the file is in zip format. So let me extract it using 7-zip. Extract it to local disk C, where we find the important system files. Yeah, it's extracted. Now close it. Go to C, MinGW64 bin. We have to set this path in environment variables so that we can compile C++ programs in our system. Go to Windows search, type environment variables. Here click on environment variables. In system variables, go to path, edit. We have to add the path here. So new, the path to bin. Copy the path to bin and paste it here and click OK. Now let us go to the command prompt, type g++ space -- version. Again it says that g++ is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now go to command prompt, type g++ space -- version. Now you can see that g++ version is installed. So let us compile a simple program which is in our desktop, hello.c. Let me open it with Notepad. This is a simple hello world program. Now let me compile it. The name of this file is hello.c, so gcc for compiling the program. Hello.c. Here you can see that a file is created. If you want to give a name to it, you can do like gcc hello.c space -o. You can give a name to the .exe file like hello1. Now you can see that the exe file is created with the name you have given. Now let us run it. Hello1. Yeah, the output is printed hello world. Now let us see how to install Visual Studio Code. Go to Visual Studio Code, click on download. In my case it is Windows, so I am downloading Windows. Yeah, the VS Code is downloaded. Let us install it. Accept the agreement. Next. Create a desktop icon so that we can easily open it. Install. Launch Visual Studio Code. Yes. Launch Visual Studio Code. Here is our new Visual Studio Code. Now let us install our C++ extension so that we can easily improve our typing. C++. In my case it is already installed. In your tab, if it's not already installed, click on install and install code runner. This code runner makes running code in Visual Studio Code easier. Click on install. It's installed. Now let us run a sample C++ program. Now let us run a sample C program. File, add folder to workspace. In this tab I am creating a new folder as C space C programs. Let me choose this folder. Do you trust the authors of the files? Yes. Now let us run a sample C++ program. Go to Explorer, new file, hello.c. Let me type as sample hello world program. Here you can run the code. Run code. Cannot open source file stdio.h. So let us restart our system once. Before restarting, the environment variables which we set up here is not well fit into the system. After restarting, now let us check whether the program runs fine. Click here, run code. Yeah, the program runs successfully and printed hello world. Here you can find that the program ran in output terminal. To give any input from the user or through keyboard, we have to run the program in terminal window. To run the program in terminal window, we have to change some settings, right? Go to settings, go to extensions, here run code configuration, here little bit below you can find running terminal. Tick it. Now let us go to this hello.c. Now let me run it. Yeah, it ran in the terminal window. If you want to get an input through scanf some integer you are going to get in the variable a. We haven't declared the variable int a. Then we are printing the variable which we get from the user keyboard. Yeah. Now let us run the program, and it's waiting for the user input in terminal window, but it's not the case in output terminal. The output terminal won't get any input. Here in terminal window we can give an input. It's waiting for the input, integer input. I'm giving the number 7. See, it printed. It's hello world. Then the number which we got from the keyboard, 7.